Hi everybody, Larissa Crandall here with Veeam. I have Peter Brennan here as CRO of Scality. Thanks for joining.
Of course.
Today.
Yeah, what a great week.
Yeah, I know we had a great conversation this morning, maybe sharing that with the rest of the team. First and foremost, just pointing out, what are you excited most about the partnership with Veeam?
Yeah, I think even our conversation this morning really reinforced the message that both of our companies are very aligned on a high velocity channel model, really focused on helping our customers around ransomware issues they have. And to see the alignment in the beliefs of our company from our people to our solution sets is very exciting for a team at Scality.
Yeah, and I was excited to hear after talking to the team. I mean, obviously ransomware is prevalent within Veeam. And first of all, thank you for being a sponsor.
Yeah.
That's
Proud to do it.
we really appreciate that. But I was excited to hear on the joint solutions and the customers, the mutual customers that we have. I think and I think if you anything that you saw from Veeam, obviously we touted the #1 in IDC. I know that you
Yes, very proud. #1, stick together.
Yes, so #1. Okay, we're coming after you, channel,
Exactly.
and the partner ecosystem. I know when we talked this morning, we have some key action items around the channel and around the partner ecosystem. I'm excited about that. Veeam has a ton of reach within the partner ecosystem, and happy to help accelerate that. As far as engagement from our teams, what are you most excited about?
What I'm most excited about is I think better together is always going to help our end users, but really meeting in the channel allows us to activate solutions so much faster. The solution set's part of the overall offering. People, process, and services that our partners can offer with our solutions are really going to help our clients advance their overall protection layers. So I'm very excited about the opportunity to work with those partners, show them how better together really does help them and their business and their clients. And bring in #1, and #1
Together.
just named recently by Gartner for a backup use case. We're very proud of that as well. I think we give a lot of value to our partners where they can feel comfortable going in to talk to those end users.
Okay, and I think that's a great point. What are you hearing from customers at Veeam? I know you've run into some customers, and we talked about it this morning. Maybe just sharing how we're working together.
Yeah, I would tell you that ransomware is top of mind for every client that stopped by this week. And frankly, oftentimes as they thought through it and talked to some of our experts, they realized that they weren't even taking all things into consideration. Different versions of data, different people and their access that they had to it. One gentleman who ran a medical group actually shared with me that he found 4 new use cases just talking to our team today together.
That's incredible.
So it's a really neat thing when you get out and talk to people about what we can do together, how it opens even the client's eyes to do great things with us.
And that's, I think, really important for, obviously being in front of customers and partners, it's extremely important. We need to share that with the channel, because I think a lot of what they're going to market is they're craving for those use cases and the better together and alliances like we have with Veeam and Scality. So, working on that. Anything else that you're excited about second half? I know newer in the role, so what's top of mind for you?
Yeah, for me right now is to really help the field keep it simple. We want to make sure that our message is crisp, that we know that we're the best at what we do in the backup environment, that Veeam is an incredibly important partner to us. We actually have over 130 mutual customers together. Really excited about that. It's only going to grow. And if we can get out with our newest announcements around our product set, ARTESCA, we announced a 2.0 last week, that really gives even more enterprise features that are going to help our clients harden the overall security layer, all at a very affordable point. Frankly, it starts at less than $4,000.
That's incredible. And I know the press release just came out, joint press release. We're excited about that. And that's, I think, something, getting out to the partner community and the mutual teams. I know that was a key action item that we talked about this morning.
I think our partners will see our teams together quite often in the field coming up very soon. So
yes.
We're very excited about that opportunity.
We are too.
During that time.
Yeah.
Very good.
Well, thank you, Peter.
Thank you for the time.
I appreciate it.
Thanks again for a great event.
Yeah, thank you.